Worried about the NIFT Entrance Exam? Huh? No one has told you what and where you should be focused on right now. Let's begin then. For BDAS and MDAS students, your GAT exam will start from 9:30 am till 11:30 am and the CAT is from 1:30 pm to 4:30 pm. If you have read the admit card clearly, you know now that the reporting time is 8:30 am for all the students. And for those who are writing the CAT exam, the reporting time is 12:30 pm, which means if you arrive after the reporting time, then just go home. Don't forget to take an additional printout of your admit card as a backup, preferably color printed. No electronic devices, no mobile phones, nothing. For NIFT, you should carry any one of the original and valid photo identification proof issued by the government like passport, Aadhaar card, e-Aadhaar, voter card, driving license with your photo on it, and this is mandatory. You can carry pen, pencil, erasers, ruler, coloring and drawing material, that is dry colors such as oil pastels, pencil colors, crayons, etc. in a transparent pouch. You may bring a transparent writing pad, which they haven't specifically mentioned not to bring. You should regularly check the NIFT website, your mailbox and SMS in your registered mobile number for any latest updates and information, because all these data is provisional and are subjected to changes and modifications. GAT paper will have 5 sections: Communicative English, English Comprehension, Math, Reasoning and GK. The sections that you can do the fastest are Communicative English and GK, so attempt these first. Remaining sections can be attempted based on your strengths. Make sure you prepare the reasoning and analytical part well and have knowledge about sketching, drafts, measurements and general information as well. NIFT looks for the ability to apprehend and represent things. Well, this time NIFT has introduced negative marking in their exam. 0.25 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer that you select. So beware. Don't select answer if you're not sure about it. CAT paper is 3 hours long and usually you get 3 questions to do in this 3 hours. So try to finish each question in 45 minutes so that you have some buffer time. Make sure to read the questions properly and underline the keywords so that you don't miss anything important in the question. Try to read the question twice before you start. Make thumbnails and work on your composition. See what placements of elements looks better. Use overlapping, change in size and proportion, and interesting compositions to make your work stand out. Aesthetics is very important in NIFT. Besides aesthetics, NIFT is particular about your eye for detail. Make sure you add relevant details wherever possible and show them your observation skills. Whenever possible, use color unless the question specifically asks you not to. While using colors, limit yourself to 2 to 3 colors and their shades and tints if you are not good at color. Solving the previous year's NIFT question papers and mock tests will give you an idea about the difficult levels and the type of questions asked in the exam. It is not too late to take a test yourself. Follow and subscribe us on YouTube and Instagram for more informative design related videos.